So walking into the stadium, one story. Walking out, what's that going to be like for those lucky enough to go?
Both walking in and walking out. Like, no one's going to want to leave. Everyone's going to be trying to get in. It's going to be cold, but the problem is once we get to the aftermath of the game, we may have some road issues because we do have winter weather, the potential kind of picking up. So just kind of looking at your headlines here on this Thursday evening, we do have to talk about severe storms possible overnight, mainly to the east of 35. So not everyone is going to see this and not everyone is going to deal with severe weather. But this is with a cold front, so it will be cold and windy as we head into tomorrow. Wind advisory in place, could be gusting to 50 miles an hour. We've already experienced that this week. We've had wind gusts over 60 miles an hour. We've had temperatures in the 70s, so now let's just add some weather alerts to round out the week. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, some dangerously cold temperatures and the possibility of some winter precip as well. Let's take a look at these rain chances and talk about it quickly, because we do have this cold front kind of swinging through tonight. So you notice by 10 o'clock, the rain chance is picking up to 20%, 30% by 11 o'clock, and then midnight to 1 a.m. is likely when we're going to have the best chance of seeing some of these strong to even severe storms kind of moving through parts of North Texas. But you do notice from the Storm Prediction Center a level 2 slight risk for these severe storms. Again, mainly to the east of 35, but we're going to be watching for some gusty winds, potentially some large hail as well. The farther east you go, the dynamics get better. You see that level 3 enhanced risk in East Texas. That's likely where there's a little bit of a tornado threat. So we're going to be keeping an eye on all of this. Just over the next few hours, the cloud cover kind of increases, but I don't think we're seeing much in the way of rain until we get closer to 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. Then you start to see a little bit of a line developing from Hill County into Ellis County, Dallas County, up through Collin County as well. It moves very quickly to the east, but it intensifies as it moves to the east. So that's where we've got the threat for the winds and the hail as well. This is pretty fast moving, and then this cold front swings through behind the front. Maybe a few snow flurries for some of our northwestern counties, but the temperatures are going to be too warm at the ground to actually see anything accumulate. And then as we go into the really daytime hours, we get some sunshine and the temperatures should be able to warm to above freezing. We're above freezing briefly on Saturday before those temperatures drop with that Arctic air mass moving in, and then we start our series of weather alerts Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Temperatures are expected to be below freezing all 3 days. Lows are going to be in the single digits and teens. Wind chills below zero nearly area-wide on Monday and Tuesday morning, talking about the possibility of some record lows. Winter precip potential, that's been increasing as we've seen the model runs coming in, so we're watching that closely. And while this is not the same as 2021. I know a lot of people have feelings about 2021. I still want you to prepare because we are talking about some freezing rain and some snow starting Sunday night, continuing into Monday afternoon as well. The farther north you are, that's likely where we'll probably see more of a snow impact. And then the farther south you are, we're talking about a very, very cold rain. But just kind of looking at the latest models coming into place, you start to see the whites indicating some snow. You start to see the pinks indicating some freezing rain. This is continuing through Monday afternoon. Hopefully clearing out Monday evening, but we're still below freezing on Tuesday, so anything that's falling is sticking. And then once we get to Wednesday, those sunny skies finally get us back to above freezing in the afternoon, guys.
All right, Erin, thank you. To Erin's point about weather.